Hello nursery, I hope you're all doing well back at home. Today we are going to be doing some mark making. So that means making marks on a piece of paper or cardboard with a pen or a pencil or a crayon, whatever you have in your homes. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice going up and down and up and down in the air with our pencil or pen or crayon, going round and round and going from side to side. And we're going to do that with a song that we're going to listen to. So watch the video very carefully because there's going to be a little box that comes up and I'm going to do what you are supposed to be doing, okay? And we're drawing in the air, okay, for this one, not on anything, just in the air like this. Ready with your pencil, your pen or your crayon, ready? Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and side to side and side to side. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and side to side and side to side. Round and round and round and round. Round and round and round and round. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and side to side and side to side. Let's try it one more time, a little bit faster. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and side to side and side to side. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and side to side and side to side. Round and round and round and round. Round and round and round and round. Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and side to side and side to side. Now nursery, what you're going to do now is what you're going to need, in fact, is a piece of paper, or it could be a big bit of card, anything, a bit of recycling, as long as you've got lots of room to make marks with your pen or your pencil or your crayons. So I'm going to get my pen ready. We're going to have a think about how some of our marks can also make us think of some sounds that we can make with our voices, a bit like this one. Oh, I'm going to start down low at the bottom of my page. My voice started down low and then it got higher. Let me see if I can start from the top of my page. And I'm going to go down this time. I'm going to do another one. And I'm going to go down with another sound. So I went up and down and up and down with my pen and my voice. Up and down, up and down. Let's see if we can try another one. What about a sound for when we are moving round in circles? So we're going to do lots and lots of swishy, swirling, circular marks with our pen. Ready? Let's try it together. Woo, 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 woo. So maybe we can make some circular sounds with our voices. I don't know what that would sound like. Maybe like that, maybe something different. And then, oh I know, lots and lots of dots, little dots on the page. Well, what could they sound like? Dots on a page, what could they sound like? Maybe like this. Or boop, 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 boop. Lots of short sounds, a bit like the short, spiky dots that I'm making on the page with my pen. Let me think of another one. Perhaps you've got some in mind now already. Let's see. Oh, I know. What about one long line going through the middle of the page? And maybe I can make one long sound with my voice. Let's see. Let me try another one. This one is going to be a bit higher up in the page, a bit higher up. What about if we tried doing one down low, down at the bottom of the page? That was one long sound that I did with my voice and one long mark that went from one side of my piece of paper all the way to the other side. So, nursery, perhaps you can have a go at making some marks at home on a big piece of paper, seeing whether you can also think of some sounds that could go with some of the marks and symbols that you've made. Well done, nursery. Thank you for joining in with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will make some more videos for you next week. Bye bye.